So guys, welcome back to on how you can deposit on your Weltrade to get at least 50% deposit bonus for your synthetic account. Please guys, sorry I'm actually just been talking about synthetic. You can always use this broker for any other pairs, gold, commodities, and everything. But presently what I'm trading with them now is synthetic indices in which I would love everybody to trade alongside too. So now, guys, so what we have to do next, I believe you can see my screen, is we'll come to the finance side, we come to deposits. So now, there are some other ways in which you can actually deposit, whereby you can use your credit card or your debit card. I'm talking for those that are in Africa, let me say Nigeria precisely, but no matter the country you are, when you come to the finance and the deposit side, you will see various methods in which you can use to deposits, you understand, depending on your country. Now you can see Nestella, Scree, Fasa Pay, Valent, Binance Pay, cryptocurrency. Imagine the minimum you can deposit with outside brokers with the cryptocurrency is 25, some is 20, but with this one you can deposit as low as 10,000 USD. But if you are using your bank, guys, like if you are using your bank and you're using like your credit card, you can always use deposit as low as $1. Deposit as low as $1. Yes, you heard me right. So now, but in this case now, but other requirement for you to get the 50% bonus, you just don't deposit a certain amount, maybe 5 or 10. The minimum for it that you deposit to get the 50% deposit bonus is $25. So which means if you are depositing anything, it has to be what? It has to be $25. So if you're using your bank transfer, you just input your first name, your second name, your last name, the amount, then you continue. You click on the continue button. Yeah, you understand? So I am not depositing because this is a solo account. I'm just using it to teach you guys on how to what? How to deposit. You understand? So now let's input it again. So now, for instance, let's say we want to deposit $25, 25. One thing about them is their deposit is very, 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 very what? Very, very fast. If you deposit $25, that's like 38,500. Let's just say that's 9,000 naira with the rate of 1,543 USD per dollar. Sorry, an NGN per dollar. Let's click on continue. Okay, come in and you continue just like that, you know. So let's try for local bank, the same thing. For what's it called? For crypto, we use the same thing. So that's that about that, guys. Just make sure you deposit minimum of $25 so as to be able to activate the bonus. Don't forget the leverage is 10,000. 10,000, which means trust me, you can buy that car, buy that house of your dream this period. Because all you just have to do is you keep on stacking, 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 stacking. Thank you guys. God bless you. On the next videos with trade, maybe I'll be teaching you guys on how to trade pain and gain. But for now, we still give the signals on the web trade. Kindly join or check the link in the bio or the comment section to join our community, whereby we'll teach you on how to. You don't need to learn. Just take our signals, copy and paste our signals, our web trade our signals. And thank you. God bless you. Bye.